Here's how to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. So Robinhood has an entire cryptocurrency section. That's this little C icon down here. When you click on that and when you start going around in here, you might have to actually sign up to allow cryptocurrency on your account. It's kind of a different account, but it's all sort of housed within your one account. And so once you do that, you're going to be able to click on this buy crypto button. And so when we click on that, we can actually search for the crypto, or if it's Bitcoin, it's probably going to be here at the top. We can tap on that and we can actually just purchase this like any other market order or any other order. If we click on that up here, we can even set a recurring investment for Bitcoin if we want to. We just add in the amount that we want to spend on Bitcoin and we go through with our purchase. So let's say I want to put in $5, right? And I can review that purchase. And then, yeah, this is where you have to review the agreement. So I hadn't actually signed the agreement yet. You review the agreement, you go through that, you're going to review this, submit, and then we're going to be able to officially invest in crypto. So you have to review that agreement first, and then we just swipe up to submit. That's how you can buy Bitcoin on Robinhood.